still using cotton swabs? It's 2025. Time to upgrade your ear care routine. Here are the 5 best earwax removal tools on Amazon this year. If you're new to ear flushing, this is where to start. Morfone gives you 4 different pressure modes, from soft mist to full stream, letting you find the right level for your ears. It's fully rechargeable, uses USB-C, and has a leak-resistant built-in tank. Simple, efficient, mess-free. This KAUGIC 2-in-1 kit gives you control and clarity. The HD otoscope lets you inspect your ear canal before and after flushing, live on your phone. Then, use the included irrigation bottle to gently rinse out the wax. It's not all in one, but it gives you better visibility than any standard kit. Most kits mix clean and dirty water. Not this one. With 2 sealed tanks, one for fresh water and one for waste, it keeps things hygienic from start to finish. The pressure is clinical grade, and the nozzle angle is adjustable for different ear positions. It's built like hospital gear for home use. MOVMAO takes home irrigation to the next level. With a smart LED screen, dual water tanks, and 12 replaceable tips for adults and kids, it's built for the whole family. The pressure is adjustable, the system is IPX7 waterproof, and it's surprisingly easy to clean. It's high-tech hygiene made simple. This is not your average ear cleaner. Yakbio's high-pressure flushing cuts through stubborn, stuck wax with ease. It's designed for people who've tried gentle kits and still feel blocked. You get multiple nozzle shapes and an angled tip for better control. But sensitive ears, beware. Cotton swabs push wax deeper. These irrigation kits pull it out. Safer, cleaner, smarter. Check the links and pick the right one for your ears.